Hey everyone! Today we're going to make the SeriLux serum. In fact, this serum promotes collagen production and has a Botox-like effect and firms the skin, so it's highly effective, especially for people over the age of 30. Alright, let's get started on making the serum. The stuff we need for 500 grams of serum includes 50 grams of propylene glycol, 7.5 grams of sodium alginate, 400 milliliters of distilled water, and 100 grams of frankincense extract. Now let's see what the rejuvenating extracts include. 6 milliliters of elastin, 5 grams of pearl powder, 50 milliliters of silk sericin protein solution. You can aliquot your raw materials when purchasing them from the company. It's a great method for small-scale production since you can take out just a small portion each time instead of opening the entire container. Just like that, 7 milliliters of snail egg extract, and finally 6 grams of phenoxyethanol. To make this serum, first mix the alginate powder with propylene glycol until it forms a polyrigal texture. You can use an electric mixer to speed up the process. Then slowly add distilled water to achieve the gel-like consistency. You can let it sit for about 30 minutes for the powder to fully turn into a gel. But if you're in a hurry or working with a large batch or on a large scale, you can use an electric mixer to speed up the process. Once the gel is smooth and uniform, it's time to add the frankincense extract. Stir well to ensure everything is fully combined. At this point, the rejuvenating extracts should be added. Start with elastin and mix thoroughly. Then, add the snail egg extract and mix again. Then, add the silk sericin solution and stir well. Once everything is blended, it's time to add the pearl powder. Make sure to mix well so that the pearl powder is fully dispersed throughout the serum. You can use the electric mixer here if needed. Once the mixture is completely smooth and you have a homogeneous gel, add the phenoxyethanol and stir well. If you'd like to add a fragrance to the serum, for example, add 3 to 5 drops of essential oil or spray it 3 times. Finally, transfer the serum into a suitable container.